XAUUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about gold against dollar. Before we start the analysis, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. You can go and join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the prop firm and the brokers here. The link which I want to talk about is this monthly membership. If you want maximum benefits of your trading journey, for example, you do Forex trading or gold trading, you want maximum benefits, then check out this link and join the monthly membership. So come back to the gold against dollar. Let's start the top-down approach with weekly here. So in weekly, we have been going up, the pullback, we are going up again. Okay, so weekly don't make sense much, but we are in the uptrend. That's what we can confirm. Let's come to Delhi here. In Delhi, last time you touched the EMA was long back in April, then went up, pulled back, then went up, pulled back. Okay. In Delhi, what we have made a new high. So I don't think this is gonna, I don't think we are going down. We will continue the uptrend in gold, okay, because this previous high is broken by this candle, and then we took a pullback last 2 days. This was on 7th of May, 8th of May, then 9th of May, we started coming up. So yeah, merely it was a pull. These two red candles were pullback and then coming back to 4 hour. Here in 4 hour, we are in between. Okay, so we are right on the EMA. So we should, in 4 hour, we are just on the EMA, neither below nor above. So as we know, in gold, we look for only longs because it's the uptrend. So you can see this was a downtrend for some time in 4 hour chart. But as you can see here, this candle on 8th of May 2230, this candle was eaten by this blue candle. So next blue candle eaten this low, which means we were going for the uptrend. Okay. So this candle was the confirmation that the gold will go up. And then we had this gold going down, but the rejection came, and this is in 4 hour, okay? So you can see the rejection came, buyers woke up and started and they started moving the gold price going up, okay? So again, if you entered here or here, you made some profit. And then on Friday, the last candle came in red, okay? So what happens on Friday in last 4 hours doesn't really give any idea that is what is going to continue on Monday, okay? So overall, we are looking for buys or longs only in gold. When should you enter buy? If you want confirmation from 4 hour, let this high break, okay? So in the coming days, on Monday, Tuesday, whenever, wait for the blue candle to cross this high, and after that wait for the pullback to go long, right? So long story short, look for longs only after this high breaks in 4 hour, okay? So these are recorded videos, and if you want some live action, for example, right now I'm recording the video at a different time, you are watching the video at a different time. But if you want some live action, then make sure you join the monthly membership. And for now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share the video with your trading friends, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, have a good day.